Okay, this is a demonstration of my electronic dice that I'm going to be selling. Um, as you can see, they have the LEDs on top in the positions for a standard dice. So you flick this little on-off switch here, and it comes on. This one is blue. Every time you invert it, it'll change which LEDs are on in the patterns of a dice, and the little motor vibrates each time to let you know that it's operating. Very simple little device. As you can see, it's powered just by little watch batteries, and there's a few bits of circuitry on the back. This one over here is green. And I'm also going to be getting red soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you buy them.